Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code E2-821130A6 on PS5. Method 1. Restart your PS5. Sometimes the simplest thing to do to fix problems on your PS5 is to restart it. So don't skip this method. If you don't know how to reboot properly, then follow these steps. Press the PlayStation button in the middle of your DualSense. In the quick menu, head over to the power button and press X. From the sub-menu, select Turn off PS5. After the PS5 has completely turned off, unplug the PS5 from the power outlet. Wait at least 5 minutes. Plug the PS5 back into the power outlet first. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the PS5. Wait until your PS5 completes booting. Then try share your game and see if error code E2-821130A6 is fixed. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 2. Restart your router. Unplug the modem and router from the power outlet. Wait at least 15 seconds. Plug the modem back into the power outlet first. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on your cable modem to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 3. Sign out and sign in back. Go to Settings. Go to Users and Accounts. Select Other, then Sign Out. Restart your PS5, then sign in back. Method 4. Restoring licenses. Going to the Settings menu of your console. Go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Once done, try check if error code E2-821130A6 is gone. Method 6. Try connecting PS5 to either the internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We need to do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the error code is gone. Method 5. Check server status and contact PSN support. Go to PlayStation Network Service Status on your browser. Check if there are any issues or alerts affecting the PSN services, such as gaming and social, PlayStation Store, PlayStation Now, PlayStation Video, or PlayStation Music. If there are any issues or alerts, wait for Sony to resolve them and try again later. If there are no issues or alerts, then what you can do now is contact PSN support. As far as I know, this problem most recently appeared around the end of May and early June 2024. And some users contacted PSN support, who then noted the issue and fixed it in about 3 days. That's it guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.